Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great. Hare Krishna.
Hare
How
Krishna.
about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Fantastic. I am fit age fit.
Okay. So, how's your life going? How's your health?
Yeah, my health is going on well, smoothly, and everything going on well. You tell.
Okay. I'm also doing great. Everything is going smoothly. No complaints at all.
Yeah.
My life is going beautiful. So,
Okay.
yes, we are meeting very first time, ma'am. So, could you please introduce yourself in a nutshell?
Okay, ma'am. So first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. And my name is Mamta Kumar. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After then, I earned BEd degree. Along with I qualified CTET examination, and I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And my hobby is spending time with the family members, playing carom, badminton like this. And I love to dance. And nowadays, I am running a small YouTube channel. That name is Mamtaz Mighty. That's it all about me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Beautiful introduction, as you like. You're so beautiful, cute.
It's my pleasure, ma'am.
Okay, so my name is Radha. I come from Uttar Pradesh and have a bachelor degree in commerce. Right now, I am doing masters in economics. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love to listen music and even I love to cook food. And yes, I'm a bit YouTuber. I start my YouTube journey mid July 2025. So this is all about me now.
Okay, it's lovely introduction, ma'am. And ma'am, I have
Yeah.
already come across your videos. Yeah, just
Okay.
like you messaged me that time also I was watching your videos. You were talking, I think Charisma ma'am. You were talking. So it
Yes,
was a
yes, yes.
wonderful session.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So when you started your journey,
When like ma'am, it's been
yeah.
1 year I have started. Like, but I was not doing conversation videos. I started
Okay.
conversation video. It's been around 1 month, and like I
Yeah.
at least I uploaded 20 video. I didn't upload that much video, but
Okay.
nowadays like I am uploading every day. I'm making my consistency, and before I
Hmm.
used to upload related to grammatical part. Those videos
Hmm.
related to grammatical part. So I used to take one of vocab. After then, I used to tell pronunciation, Hindi meaning, some examples, synonyms, antonyms. I used to describe on it.
Hmm.
After then, like I got to know, like audience are not attracting this type of videos because I was not reveal my face on those
Hmm.
videos. So that's why after then I talked on Jostock application. There I met some of people. So
Hmm.
like some of friends they suggested me you should go for conversation video because conversation
Hmm.
videos are fruitful for ourselves. So after that I
Yes.
decided because like if I will
Hmm.
upload conversation video, so indirectly
Hmm.
I will improve myself also. So then on
Okay.
my and indirectly my content also automatically it will be ready. So there is no need to create lots of content because I used to
Hmm.
give 4 hours to hours to ready those content. So
Definitely.
yeah. So then I started conversation video. It is easy for me. I'm connecting different type of people. I'm gaining knowledge from them, how they are
Hmm.
perspective, how they are doing in our own life. So it is good for me. I am happy to talk with different type of people because like being a housewife, she is sitting at home. So she started
Hmm.
thinking alone. Sometimes like we are doing alone, how after doing household work, we are doing our own work. So like we
Hmm.
started thinking boring. We started fed up sometimes. Sometimes we started irritate ourselves like why it is not happening, that this and that. It started with us. So then I decided conversion it is good for me.
Yeah, conversation video is definitely very good because you, it is, you are like, you're not wasting your time for editing anything. But in solo video, you give your precious time. You create, like, you create thumbnail, you do editing, and you make a script also. But
Yes,
in a conversation video, we have do a random conversation sometime and we discuss some topics. So it is very, I think, very helpful also and very easy to upload.
yeah, before I used to write firstly script. After then I used to like record my voice. After then I used to add. So lots of work I used to do. Editing part also
Yes,
I have to do. So it
In
is
solo
easy for
video,
me how to run
definitely.
the application after then, because like I was doing editing part, so it was not monotonous task for me. It is easy for
Ye-
me because it is not taking too that much time for me.
Yeah, conversation videos are not taking so much time, but solo video take.
Solo time.
Because
Just
recently I uploaded one solo video. But it's take half an hour or 1 hour because from last 2 days I'm preparing for that solo video.
okay.
So it goes very good, but and I learn so many things. I feel in solo video you learn so many things because you are making script, you are involving in that. So in solo video you learn so many things, and in these days I'm more into in solo video also and conversation video both. I'm enjoying basically.
Yes.
So okay. According to you, what is more important, discipline or motivation in your journey? Basically, I'm talking about in your journey.
Ma'am, discipline it is important rather than motivation, because motivation it will work only 2 days, 3 days. After then, like we will be normal person. So
Hmm,
if
hmm,
we have discipline, so we will work every day with the
hmm,
consistency. We will learn every day, so it would be fruitful for ourselves. So I
hmm.
would prefer discipline.
Yes, I agree with you. I totally agree with you because I think discipline is much more important than motivation.
Mhm.
You already told motivation comes and goes.
Mhm.
Someday we feel excited, someday we feel low, someday we feel like doing anything.
So
Because sometimes we are getting frustrated, we are feeling low. But discipline keeps us moving even when we don't feel motivated. Because motivation is a temporary thing. It
okay.
is temporary things.
So
So
what
I
do you think?
feel,
If
yeah,
you are more excited, what do you think? If you are more excited, so that time you are able to gain something or not?
more excited.
Yeah.
Yes, always. If I'm very excited, if I'm energetic, I always learn something new. If I'm feeling frustrated, if I'm feeling bored, so I'm not giving attention. If you are an energetic person, you are giving your attention. Basically, you are very focused. Like we are having conversation. We both are very energetic. So right now I'm enjoying my conversation. Right now I'm listening your opinion, and through with the help of your opinion, sometime I learn something new. So energy matters a lot. Matters a lot. If you're a positive person, if you're energetic, if you're very extrovert, so you give so many knowledge also, and you receive so much knowledge. Sorry, so much knowledge. So I think energy is matters a lot.
Ma'am, like if we have energy, so we can gain a
Hmm.
lot. But if we are more excited, if we are more sad in moment, so that time,
Hmm.
like I think according to my perspective, if we are normal,
Hmm.
so that time we gain
Hmm.
a lot. So sometimes it's happen with us if we are more happy. So that time
Hmm.
we are not able to learn, we are not able to catch lots of words, lots of knowledge, lots of things. We are not able.
Hmm.
But if we are normally like with the consistency, with the patience, if we are studying, doing every day, so that time we can a lot.
Okay, I think you are talking about we should be balanced. We should be balanced.
Yeah, energy it
Okay.
is a different of perspective. Like suppose if we woke up early in the morning, if we have a lots of
Yeah.
energy, so that time
Hmm.
we can consume that energy in our study.
Hmm.
Get it?
Yeah, definitely.
So we can say that is the we are consuming our energy to for our study.
Hmm.
Like sometimes it's happened with us, we are more happy. Something is happening in our life, we are over the moon today. So that time, like you should try to read something, you should try to study something, you will not gain anything. Rarely you will
Yes,
get something.
I feel you right now. Sometimes, if we are very happy, we are very energetic. Sometimes we feel okay. This day is a happy day, so we let go the things always.
That day we want to enjoy, we don't want to study.
Definitely, definitely, I agree with you in this. Okay, no problem. So, do you have any questions? Go ahead if you want to
Yes,
ask.
I have a question for you. Like, I want to ask you, like, you are using lots of fancy word. I have noticed in your videos. So, how
Hmm.
long are you working on that?
Okay, like in these days, if you watched my short video, on daily basis, I am learning vocabulary and idioms. Okay, and I'm using in my conversation also. If I'm not using in my conversation, sometimes I used if I talking with myself because self talk is very important. And that time I use some fancy word also, and I make some sentences with the help of ChatGPT. 3, 4 sentences, not one sentences, 3 to 4 sentences. And repetition is one of the favorite thing, like imitate and repetition. I'll do repetition on regular basis. This is how I learn some fancy word. So
Okay.
this is the very important. If you are learning any vocabulary, any idiom, just try to implement in your conversation and try to make 3 to 4 sentences. This is how you learn because implementation is a very important. You are cramming everything, but you are not implementing. I think this is a disadvantage. They
Yes,
have to be applied.
you are saying correct. Like, it's happened with us. Sometimes we come across lots of vocab, but we are
Yeah.
not using in our conversation. So that is the not good for ourselves. So if we are consuming
Yes.
some of vocab, so we should indulge in our conversation. So that time it would be better for us. Otherwise, they are waste. We started forgetting again. So like
Definitely.
I want to ask you, like, from where are you learning this type of vocab? Are you catching some this type of vocab in like another person's conversation? Yeah, you want to go? You are learning from any book. So from where are you catching?
Yeah, if I talk about my vocabulary and my idioms, I watched one YouTube channel like Nimisha ma'am. She is a banking teacher and she give editorial on daily basis at 8 a.m. So I watched at 8 a.m. I watched regularly editorial at 8 a.m. So this is how I improve. I'm not cramming any word. I'm just repeating each and every word on daily basis.
Yeah.
Yesterday I learned sentences back burner. Okay, like most of the, I think you in these days you are learning English. Most of the students prefer speaking speaking is a last option. They are not doing on regular basis. So most of the student put speaking at the back burner. So this is how I make sentences. Speaking को वो last option पे रखते हैं. So I connected through my story. So this is how I'm learning.
Okay, sounds good. So
Yeah.
again, next question I want to ask you, like, did you learn your English from the scratch, or like you were aware like little bit about English language?
Like I'm aware with English because I'm from English medium. I have some knowledge, but if I talk about speaking, like to be honest, I never speak English in my entire school life. Seriously, from last year I started my English speaking, like spoken communication, and on from the last year I am very consistent. Touch wood, I'm very consistent. I'm learning something new on daily basis. But I'm familiar with English. I'm not like that. Oh, I don't know nothing. I'm familiar. This is how. This my journey is very unplanned.
Okay, okay,
Very un
it's nice. Okay, so ma'am, like, how did you get idea? Like, you should open YouTube channel.
Okay. Like my journey learning, like my English learning journey has been unplanned, completely unprompt, unplanned. I wasn't aware like of where and how to start. I simply sit with my sister and download my first English application, English Yari, and take at first I took a 9 session, and this is how I start my journey. I took 9 sessions, and since then I have been improving in terms of my expression, in my vocabulary, in my gestures, everything. And then I started connected with YouTubers.
Okay.
This is how I start my journey. I work on my communication, I work on my personality, and I attain so many sessions with English Yari and with my YouTubers. So with the help of YouTubers, I get rid of fear basically. And in these days, I am consistent. And consistency play a very important role in your entire life. If you are consistent, if you are motivated, and self-belief. Self-belief is one of the most important thing.
Okay.
And if you're speaking on daily basis, because most of the students, what they are doing, they are listening the podcast, but they are never implementing it in their conversation. You have to be practice your tongue basically, because speaking is a skill.
Yes.
So
The nail on
yeah,
the head, ma'am. It's wonderful.
yeah,
Yeah. So, ma'am,
yes,
did you feel like someday we don't want to talk? Like we are feeling monotonous and this type of thing. It is going on our mind. But like being a consistency, like we started thinking, we started pushing ourselves. We should go for
yeah.
conversation, and we got
Hmm.
motivation automatically. We should go for it.
Yeah, in my entire journey, I never throw in the towel, to be honest. I start my conversation with God name always, because whenever I take a Krishna name, I feel my conversation go very well, definitely. So whenever I start my conversation, I never feel hesitate. Sometime I feel nervous. Oh my God, she is very fluent speaker. He is very fluent speaker. But after some time, I automatically gain confidence. I automatically gain confidence. I don't know how, but sometime I make lot of mistake. But I didn't bother. Okay, I make mistake. I will improve,
One mistake.
because because if you are positive person, you learn faster. And
Mhm.
if you are criticizing yourself, so you never learn. You never learn.
So
Just
we can learn in
be positive.
a condition.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can't learn
be positive. Yeah, yeah.
in
Go ahead.
yeah, I was saying you
You're
like you were saying like a criticized condition. So I was saying you like we can't learn in a criticized condition. If suppose we are criticized to take someone, so we can't
Hmm.
go ahead in our life.
Yes. Like whenever you receive feedback, because when I took a 9 session with English Ari, I always took feedback as a constructive feedback. I'm not taking as a criticism. People take it as a pensive, they take it as a criticism, but take it as a feedback. You will improve faster. People are get stressed. Oh my God, I'm not improving. I'm speaking broken English. At least you are speaking. Be happy with that.
And we should be happy. Like suppose like someone is speaking better than us, so that time
Hmm.
we should take a challenges like a we should also work on like this. Like suppose she is speaking better than us, so we should work like this. We should not criticize like she is using this and that, say is mistaking here and there. We should learn from
Hmm.
her. Like sometimes
Hmm.
it's happened with us, like we are come across another person's video, so he or she
Hmm.
is speaking better than us. So like I started jotted down some of vocabulary he or she is using. Those vocab I don't know. So this type
Hmm.
of work we should do. Then we can like forward in our life. Otherwise, like we will be go behind.
Definitely. I always say to each and everyone, be happy in your life and believe in your God and believe in your hard work. If you're doing hard work, you definitely get result after some time. Slowly and steady win the race. This is a proverb. And if you're working on regular basis, if you are climbing step by step, so you definitely reach the destiny and you feel proud.
Yeah, definitely.
So
We can achieve
self-belief is
all
very
this type of
important.
thing if we will step every day. If we will
Yes.
step every day.
Basically, stick to your guns. Whatever you are doing, stick to your guns and be consistent in your journey and be patient. Because if you are learning this language, because this language is a second language,
Yeah.
global language, it is not our mother tongue. So it's take time. I'm
Hmm.
learning this language from last 1 year. Still, I have to be improve a lot. I'm improving. I have to be go far. I make a lot of mistakes sometimes, but I don't bother because I know I will improve.
Definitely, ma'am. Correct. So, like,
Yes.
when you took some of session with the English Yari, so how much you gain confidence?
Okay.
After that, what
Initially,
did you
when
like? You thought like I should go for conversation. Now I am able to speak.
no, 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 no. Seriously, because when I started my YouTube channel, I don't know how to start my English channel and what to do. Then I took a 9 session with English Yari. And first session with Nidhi ma'am, I remember. First session with Nidhi ma'am. And it was great session, seriously. I am very nervous. I'm making a lot of mistake. But Nidhi ma'am encouraged me a lot. She pushed me a lot. Radha, you are speaking great. You are doing mistake, okay, but keep going. So sometimes feedback is very important. Sometimes people encourage us.
Mhm.
It is very important. So she is using very good words, and that time I felt, oh my god, I have to be improved somehow. Because if you are learning this language,
Mhm.
you are taking feedback. Sometimes you take negative feedback also. So take it as positive. I prefer, like, whenever I take a feedback, I take it as a positive, and whenever I take it as a negative, I drain my energy automatically.
Mhm.
So English Yari seriously gives me a lot of confidence, and in future I'm planning to take subscription again. Let's see in future, but not now. In future.
Okay, ma'am. Yesterday I was talking one of my friend. So she was
Hmm.
telling me like she is also YouTuber. So she was telling me like someone is message me. So put message like you made mistake here. So after then like she was telling me like I didn't take like in a negative. I thought like I should take in a positive way because I made mistake.
Hmm.
So that's why
Hmm.
he or she telling me. So we should take in a
Hmm.
positive manner. So feedback, like whatever
Definitely.
they are giving, we should take in a positive manner.
Hmm. Sometime I upload conversation video in my YouTube channel. Some of my subscribers correct me, but I take it as a positive way because I know I make a lot of mistakes sometimes. But some of the subscribers correct me. I'll take it positive and I will improve that. So just take it as a positive. Whatever you are doing in your life, because in your life there's a lot of negative people. There's a lot of those who criticize you, and if you're taking as a personally, you can't survive in that earth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is
Okay.
going on your YouTube journey? Are you happy with it?
Everything is, yeah, I'm happy and everything is going great. Uh, because I'm consistent in these days and I'm improving also. So everything is going smoothly.
Okay. So we should
Yeah.
like maintain our consistency. Like we should only
Yeah.
focus on our karma. Everything
Basically.
like one day, like one day, automatically it will be fruitful journey.
Definitely, you just trust your destiny, karma, and your God. And sometimes, if you're free, just do nam job, something like that. Be spiritual, because when you're spiritual, you just basically you focus on your karma.
Hmm.
Be true to yourself and be true to others also. Never say wrong words to others. Be grounded in your life because बोलते हैं ना कर्मा hit you back.
Definitely.
Yeah, because sometimes I'm a mix, like sometimes I get distracted. I am like a mix bag. I'm a mix of feeling. I can't control my emotions because I easily cry. But I believe I do nam jap on daily basis, yeah, spiritual, yeah, learn some Bajrang Bad. Because whenever I see this video, spiritual content, I feel so good. Because I believe something like spirituality has a power.
Yeah. It gives peace.
power तो है. Yes, so this is why.
Someone like
Okay.
says to like us, like there is no need to go for temple. You can sit here because God is everywhere. But when we
Mm,
in a temple, so that time we feel ourselves peaceful.
definitely. And recently I visited Mathura Vrindavan also. So Mathura Vrindavan, like last week. Oh my God, it was a wonderful trip, and I enjoy a lot. I visited Iskcon Temple, Prem Mandir, Baki Bihari, Baki, not Baki Bihari. There is a Char Dham. So I enjoyed a lot. I'm dancing, I'm hopping in one place to another. So it was a great feeling.
Yeah, and you are looking also look like a Radha according to your
No,
name.
nothing. So you're from Jaipur.
Yeah, Jaipur, Rajasthan.
I visited once in
Okay.
Jaipur. Hawa Mahal, or there's a one of the
Another
famous.
city place,
Yes,
Ahmed Fort.
not Hamid Fort. There's a two or three places because I went to Jaipur for 3 days only because of my tournament. Because I used to be a player, I play Malkham, so this is why I visited, and I stay for the 3 days only.
Okay, you
Yeah,
stay 3 days here.
yeah, it was a beautiful place, seriously.
In a 3 days, we can visit lots of place. It is sufficient for 3 days.
But I visited Jaipur for my tournament.
Okay,
For my
tournament.
tournament. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes. This is why I can't visit all the places. I covered maybe two or three places. There's a one museum also in Jaipur. I covered that. Hawa Mahal and Jal Mahal.
Okay.
And I wear the dresses also,
Yeah, I also.
Jaipuri dress.
I took after that. I took photos. So
Yes, definitely. There's a lot of things in Jaipur. Okay. So I think we should wrap up the session.
yes,
And
like already it's been 30 minutes. And
yeah, it
okay, so
was a fruitful session. And thank you so much for,
so
yeah,
much
bye
for
bye.
giving me your precious time. Have a nice day.
Most welcome. Most welcome. Hare Krishna. Bye bye.
Hare Krishna. Bye.